Hello, I was asked to show everyone this here software made by WonderFox software development company. It is called the RecoveryFox AI, which is used to restore files that have been deleted from your hard drive or external drives. Solid state and regular spinning hard drives works. So let me show you their website first. Here is their website. It's WonderFoxRecovery.com, and I will post a link in the video description to this. You do have to have a subscription of some sort to get the full benefits of this software, or to recover anything. So you will have to pay something. It is a free download, but to actually use it and activate it, there is a price. Now, I'm not going to go over all the pricing and stuff, but I have my license activated where I can show you how this will work. So what we're going to do, we'll just minimize this for now. I have installed the software. It's here is the link on my desktop, the shortcut to it. What we're going to do is test it using this here flash drive, which this is a Windows 11 installer flash drive, but we're going to go there, and I've put the WonderFox website PDF version of it on this here flash drive. So when we open this, it shows basically their website printed out as a PDF. So that's that. I'm going to close this, and what we're going to do is delete this file, not rename it, delete it. And like with a flash drive, it will say this will permanently delete it. Are you sure you want to do this? Because it's an external drive like this, it don't go into the recycle bin first. It's going to permanently delete it. So, sure. Okay, so now, let's say I want that file back. What do? Well, most people, you're in trouble. You can't get it. You have to recreate it or something. But with this software, it's going to look at what's been recently deleted. Even there's the AI part of it will even try to recover when the drive has been partitioned over or totally erased. It will try to recover what's still left behind. So it's kind of cool. So let's close this right now here, and let's open their software. It will prompt you with user account control to elevate privileges and run as admin. You'll want to say yes there. That's how the tool will work. It has to run as admin. And as this opens, this here will show you your drives. Local drive, there's the C drive, and then this is the external flash drive there. So we're going to click this one to start the scan. Okay, so quick scan was completed. That goes quick on this small flash drive. I mean, that's a 16 gigabyte flash drive. So that's why I'm doing this on the flash drive, because it will take longer when you're having a terabyte internal drive and much more data to go through. So, but this is for the video. It's quicker doing the flash drive. So we're going to close that message. Now what that was saying is now doing the AI scan. This flash drive took about probably 4 or 5 minutes before when I fully did a scan and did everything. We don't need to do the AI scan since I haven't reformatted it or nothing. The quick scan should have picked it up. That's what I'm saying. So what we're going to do, you can either pause or stop. I would pause really first. So it's going to process what it's found so far. Okay, and then we're going to go to quick scan, and look, there it is. The WonderFox website PDF. So you'll check this to restore it. And what's funny, these here are other documents I had been testing this with. So it still found those, and it found them over and over. Like I had restored them and everything. And so it still will find them again with their software. So check that, and you click down here, recover. And it will ask you where you want to save this, back on the computer or the flash drive, where you want it. I'm going to put it right on our desktop this time. Do okay. Now what that is doing, it created a folder there. I'll show you this. This is to view the recovered files. Basically, it's going to open that folder, well, the desktop. So then you'd open, it names that recovered folder the drive name, the flash drive name. So go there, and then it will do a subfolder quick scan. I don't know if it will probably do an AI scan if you had files in the AI scan. So go to quick scan, and here it is. So I'm gonna open this and look, nothing is lost. It's all there, all of it. So that's cool. It worked exactly like it should. So definitely check out their website. I think this is awesome. Great tool to use. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions, concerns about it, anything. I do have a contact at the company that I could reach out to if you do have questions that I can't answer. So definitely like this video if you did like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tech videos like this. Thanks for watching today.